Hello, I'm Ethan from Olympic Good. Today my recommendation is refrigerated air dryer. Why we need to use a refrigerated air dryer? In the air system, the refrigerated air dryer is the necessary part. Usually the compressed air contains 100% vapors. The vapors will condense together when the air will be cooled. The condensed water not only damages your air compressor system, reduce the efficiency of flow, but also destroy the terminal product, correct piping, and increase the maintenance cost. Do you know there are more than 19 liters water will enter into the air system every day if without the air dryer? But after using the refrigerated air dryer, it can get rid of 98% condensed water to make sure the compressed air is dry. Okay, let's back to the topic. Why choose our air dryer? 1. One button to start and stop. 2. Oil type gauge clearly. Show the air dryer running situation. 3. All the pipe and wires are connected before delivery, plugged and used. 4. Our air dryer is topical design. The oversized evaporator and heat exchanger ensure compressed air gets fully cooling, thus drain out the condensed water. 5. We adopt 0.5 mm finish heat exchanger and evaporator, 1 mm finish connected copper pipe, and 4.5 finish seamless barrel minimize the leakage rate. 6. Heat exchanger using aluminum alloy material, strong corrosion resistance, will not rusting. 7. Strong fan and oversized cooler, improve the cooling effect. 8. Thermal Panasonic refrigerated compressor, ensure air dryer performance. 9. High pressure protection switch, ensure the compressor is running in safe mode. 10. We have electronic auto drain and manual drainer. Make sure the condensed water can be discharged. 11. Air capacity from 0.8 liters per min to 360 liters per min. 12. Have CE, GCCA, ISO certificates. All is in standard. Ensure the product quality. Because we are the manufacturer, so we can provide different options to you. First, environment protect gas. 2. Except for the normal pressure type, we also can provide 40 bar high pressure type air dryer. 3. We also provide stainless steel plain heat exchanger type air dryer. If you have further questions, please send email to info@olympic-cn.com. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.